FT-DX with KF5ZBL at the Plano Ham Radio Outlet Store. Saturday, doing a little shopping. What do you think, Bill? You like that one?
There it is. I don't know if it'll do a Texas QSO party or not.
It might do Texas QSO party.
Well, we'll have to find out.
Want to give it a go?
We'll have to give it a go.
All right then.
It's better than this one.
Yeah. Found Yaesu FT-DX 10. Looks great, Bill.
I think this one will do it.
There you go, right? Where'd you call
Check it out with the FT-DX 10. Thanks, Eddie.
There you go, guys.
Off to the local park for the Texas QSO party.
There you go.
From store to park and on the air in less than an hour.
There you go.
There you go, guys. Have a good day.
7-3, guys. We'll see you at the park, Bill.
Hit the park.
KG5EIU, KF5ZBL here at the Richardson Custard Park, September 2022 for the Texas QSO party and the unboxing of Bill's new radio. September 22nd, KF5ZBL unboxing the brand new Yaesu FT-DX for the Texas QSO party here at the beautiful Custard Park in Richardson, Texas. September 17th, 2022, the unboxing. All kinds of included goodies with the FT-DX. Woohoo! Very nice. Couple minutes, we'll have her on the air. Nice looking radio. Little surgery here. Some power pole connectors. Go, power on. Power on, Garth. Woo! Woo! His first QSO contact on his new Yaesu.
QSO, you are 5'9" here in Dallas, Texas.
Thank you so much. Whiskey 7 Delta X-ray.
Just like that. Easy peasy.